How to fix MacBook not charging. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Step 1. Check the basics. Before trying advanced fixes, check these simple things. First, ensure the charger is plugged in correctly. Second, try a different power outlet. Some may not provide enough power. Third, inspect the charging cable and adapter for damage. Fourth, try a different USB-C port on your Mac, and lastly, you can try to restart your Mac and try again. If none of these basics fix your issue, then check for battery and charging issues. So to check that, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Preferences option and further tap on the Battery option. Now, look for any warnings like battery not charging or service recommended, and if you see service recommended, your battery may need replacement. You can also check for Mac OS updates. To check that, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen again and then tap on the About This Mac option from the menu that appears. Now tap on the software update option you see there and see if your app requires any update, and if it does, then go ahead and update your Mac further. So this is how you can fix MacBook not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.